Hello, my name is Athanasios Andreu. I'm a research grantee for the DTL, and what I'm developing is a tool called Transpad, which is a collaborative tool to bring transparency to targeted advertising. Namely, we're trying to enable the users, when they browse the web and see their ads, to get informed why they received these ads and what do advertisers know about them. We also try to do this in a very privacy-sensitive way. So we try to get as little information from the users as we can. Well, transparency is important because, first of all, it removes all these black boxes that raise suspicion everywhere and enables the users to acquire some awareness on how their data are being used, and also encourages some ethical way of using this data since everything is in the open. Well, the conference was a great opportunity for me to get informed about developments that are to my personal interests, but also it widened my horizons, and I got informed about some things regarding transparency that were not obvious for me. For example, I really liked the panel about the user-centric approaches to transparency tools, or the lawyers that were talking about privacy policies. I believe that it will be working on many different levels. For example, we will have tools like the tool that I'm developing, which will bring some transparency and reverse engineer these black boxes. I believe that organizations and companies will be encouraged to provide transparency on their own. And finally, we will have many new policies regarding and regulations regarding transparency. The Data Transparency Lab has undertaken this difficult task of coordinating all the efforts regarding transparency. It also keeps us up to pace with everything. To some extent, it encourages also us to collaborate with each other. We get the community to get to each other, to know each other, and then maybe encourage some future collaboration. Well, first is how to encourage and incentivize all the companies and organizations to promote transparency on their own. And of course, the big challenge is how to come up with policies and regulations that are concise but are also easy to understand. We will have, for sure, much better tools, we'll have much better policies, and I really believe that we will have a discussion out in the open about this. Users and people will be much more aware about the issues and the ramifications of not having transparency and why it's important to have transparency.